everyone, welcome back to Foodie Affair with Mirna. So today I'm in the kitchen with my toddler. We are making their favorite snacks. So she wants to help out in making her favorite snacks. Vanilla cupcake is very quick and easy recipe. As you know, the kids are on holiday for Easter and they ask for snacks every chance they get. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, support me by subscribing, like the video, share, and also turn on the notification bell. You can also drop a comment. Thanks.